Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to send money from PayPal to bank account in Pakistan. So let's get into the video. So firstly, open up PayPal and log into your PayPal account. And if you want to send money to your bank account in Pakistan, so first you need to add the bank account. To add that, you just need to go to this link option here. So click on add card or bank. So we're going to link our bank account. So click on the link bank account. So once you click on link bank account, so what you're going to do now here is you're going to simply add in the bank account that you want to send it to. So add in those details. Okay. So once you have provided the details of your bank account here, and once that's done, so this information varies depending on your location. So just fill up all the details and hit on link your bank. So your bank will be linked, and then this account will now be linked. So now you can simply go to send option, and then when you send it, you can select the bank that you just added, and then you can send the money to that account there. So that's pretty much it is. Hope this video was helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.